Hello guys, in the last episode I did say that I finished Tropical and got to Mega Yacht. So I just want to show you that I did actually, if we could I can show you, it's 100% Tropical. But I just want to show you that it actually unlocks some new area when you get the yacht that you only can find if one person in the server actually has the yacht. Okay, yes, we're walking. But it unlocks this new tunnel area as shown, and then it also unlocks this pathway that it doesn't show before, but if you don't have it, and it's called Monaco. Yes, I know that's a country name. But anyways, it is down that way in Monaco. See my logo down there. And then, although it says it's gold, you have to actually buy the gold game pass. My brother's making a lot of money. And yes, I do grind out money. And most of the time it's from ads. Most of the time it's also from grinding. You see, both by two. Anyways, you can see that this is a very boring area until you get back here. This is basically the car spot. These are all the cars that I have, if you were wondering. We're going to display that one there. And that one there. We're also going to... I don't know if this is permanent. This is the first time I've actually displayed cars over here. Okay. And a landless Ferrari, I think it's called. I'm not famous with car brands, okay? I have this beautiful hallway with one bedroom with a bathroom on each side. Then this is, anyways, this is basically 1/4 of the. I'm only like 60% done. When you get to this faint line right here, I don't know if you can see it. That'll be 75%. The 50 was that hallway. It was this hallway over here. Now it's carpet. They do cost up like 3 million stuff in this thing, so beware if you don't have much money. You might have to start grinding on money. The guy used 400 million on a literal speedboat. Kind of crazy, right? Anyways, I just love plants on you. I guess you just love plants in this universe because we kind of have a lot of plants over here. Also, there's that spider web that's very faint over there. It's going to be floating until we get to the second floor of the yacht. Yeah, for some reason it says the yachts are like all the way out by Tropical House. Like, if we go back out here, if we go out here, you can literally see the Tropical House. You can actually see little fake yachts back out there. I have to rise my graphics up so you can see this thing. Graphics quality. Head out back by the pool deck, which is there is a door somewhere over here. Yep, it is. You can see like very yacht pictures out there, but instead the yachts are parked by Monaco, which is near the city bridge. If you want to go check out for yourself with just yourself, I guarantee I think it'll not be shown for you. You have to get to Mega Yacht. I mean, it's called Mega Yacht. I think it's actually called Mega Yacht. I didn't think that was actually called Mega Yacht. Anyways, enough talking. It's already in 4 minutes. This was way too long of an intro. So let's just get in with this thing. For some reason, I like to sometimes stand and sit in video recording, but I just stand it for a little bit. Like, you can see how fancy these things are. Like, paintings cost so much. And let's just repeat that design. So with a different painting. Anyway, now they're just gonna have so many thingamabobs over here. Utility couches, lamps. They're gonna make you buy some paintings. And more walls, ceiling, lights. Like that. This was just that area. Look how much money I just drained out of. I'm telling you, this place is expensive. We're already up to 4 million. If I'll lose 4 million, sure I will. And more, and more, and more. It's more. Anyways, I think I'm gonna give you a tour of all of them so I can get some money flowing. Okay, starting with the first mansion. If you finish this one, skip to the next part. But I'd still recommend looking for this. So here's the first floor with the entrance of the stuff. This way leads out to your garage. And then back here we have this bowling pin area, nice little water area, bowling, and not bullying, bowling. This way, launch here. We'll get down to the basement at the end, but anyways, this pool, pretty nice and all. But now let's go up to the second floor. We have a nice area, relaxing. The waterfalls out here. Extra room that nothing in it. And all this. And here brings back the pool area. Over here you have to continue the balcony. This way, we have double doors to a gym, bedroom, movie theater, bedroom. Continue down this hall, yeah. You also have a little tiki bar area. Oh yeah, I forgot to say down here is like this tennis area. And the nice path. And to get back up to the second floor, all you have to do, lower the floor and raise the floor. But anyways, that's basically it for the second floor. So let's get on to the third floor. Fourth floor doesn't have much. You have another balcony sort of area. Another bedroom, cool looking bedroom. And over here, if you can just hop out back here, and have nice stuff. Getting back in the house in the area. This room also is a bedroom, I think. No, it's a bathroom. It's a bathroom. This one over here is actually a bedroom. And with a bathroom. And continuing on, just underneath the stairs, it's a crazy area, like a huge room. They can climb up here, so you don't have to take these stairs. Nice gold bed with a candy corn on it. I don't know. But continuing on, we have a king size bathroom, I guess. And then this is a ladder up to the roof. And you want to go up to the roof for one reason and one reason only. Helicopter. And I'm just going to take this thing real quick. We're going to fly over to the beach house. Oh yeah, I forgot about the garage. You guys have to figure out what's in the garage, sorry. I just don't have time. I just tried to. I'm not trying to make this video an hour long. It's already 9 minutes long. Yeah, I don't know that there's actually dolphins. That over there is the start of my beach house. So we're going to ride toward it. I'm just going to quick tour back here. We have a nice dock area with 2 different types of boats. 20 million. I fancy that. And then in this beach house, tons of stuff. On the first floor, we have all of this. We have the garage, I think this one is. Yeah, this is the garage. Storage room. Good old relaxing area. Kitchen. This room, I guess, is just a bathroom. This back area is pretty cool. We already went over this back area. This is like a nice living room. And let's head up to the second floor. Second floor, we can look over here. And this is a big bedroom. King size bedroom. Gaming room. Just went over that one, so this one. Bathroom. So an elevator. And big bedroom. Out this way, we have a nice balcony and a view of the waterfall. And now, let's go to the third floor. The third floor is mainly just an exercise gym area. There's no stairs up, only an elevator. And now, basement time. This basement is probably the most cool out of them all. Big area. And we can actually watch a movie. This is a horror movie, so I'm just going to turn this thing off for people who are scared. Nice arcade room. Over here, big bathroom, favor with a good old gaming room and bedroom. Over here, we have another bedroom, gaming bedroom, and just a nice relax area. That's it. So let's make our way over to penthouse. Penthouse, you gotta make your way up there. This is the money collector. You get it on the screen. I don't know how that works. It's a big first floor, so this is the main room. Then this outdoor area, I just wanted to get over. Have a checkmate chess, I think. And play chess much. Nice, cool. Looking overviewing the city. There's my beach house down there. Well, that's just cool to be on top of all this stuff. Anyways, walking around the south side area, that's pretty much really it. So, I suppose this is the door back to the kitchen. Let's head in with this door before I forget. Pretty cool. And a world map. You know, I just can't. Back here is a big relax area. This is just a nice movie room. I played the exact same movie. So no, we're not doing that again. Now on to the second floor. I know I'm speedrunning these because I want to get these things over with. Because this video is already taking long enough, and it's already 14 minutes long. Just pick up to that, right? Good. Gym area. A lot of extra stuff in this area as well. Little area back down there, but we're not gonna go back down there because we're not heading downstairs. Now, this area is just another entrance to the gym. Relaxing area. Back here. And over here. I'm not gonna show the back area. I'm gonna show the shop house after I see how much money we've made at the Mega Yacht. Sorry, 24%. Yeah, I'm not spending this much Robux. So yeah, third floor. Pretty nice third floor. Over here we have a good old relax area. And a door to the bathroom and a closet. Walking all the way. out into here. The best view you're gonna see of the outdoor area. And then this nice good area. A bathroom and a closet. And we're have to head down to the garage as fast as we can. After the 4th floor. Which is just the tiniest floor I've ever seen. Anyways, this is basically it, so. Garage. Anyway, this area has a lot of pads. Why would you want to goldify a pad, bro? And the car elevator is just annoying. And then you'll have this, and all of these extra things over here. Over here is just a nice basement area. To play games, use the bathroom. That's it. We'll go over here in a second after we spend all our money. But first, Butler, thanks for giving the money on a plate. Oh. I do not know this person, so I don't know. I just want to get to 1,000 friends, people. Doors, plants, and walls. Some walls. Mirrors, plants, more walls, more paintings, The overlord of paintings. Walls, ceilings, lights. More walls, more toilets, no doors. We're using a lot more money than expected. I'm just gonna approach this person's house. Gotta go over to the Mega Mansion. 7 million are made already. Cool. Now we look for their tycoon, which I suppose it's down there because they don't really seem good at this game. They're just brand new. I guess they just didn't have any private service to join, so they joined ours. But anyways, if we have to wait for a lot of money, we're actually gonna get an interesting tour to the tropical house. Anyways, we'll do the pool deck, garage, and garden last. First floor. So this is not going to be as interesting as it seems because this video is already 18 minutes long, and I do not want to make it longer. So you guys just get a look around. I'm trying to make the longest spot for not talking, so please subscribe. This takes a while. Okay, that was the end of the tour. Hope you liked that long spot. That long, no talking spot. But anyway, we're back at over here. And woo! You did good. Hi, Dado. Want to come over to the chat? Want to come over to see the viewers? I think they're gonna miss you in this video because you're like not in it at all. Come on, Dad. Why don't you just come and say hi? Dad won't be saying hi because he's doing something. But you'll be saying hi to my dead bank account in Mega Mansion Tycoon, not IRL. Okay, I guess we're heading this way. Okay, 75% of the base is done. I'm happy now? Okay, good talk. A hole. Hole! Walls. Walls. Walls! Walls. Bowling pins. Bowling alley. Bowling balls. Statue. Carpet. Chair. Chair. Table. Lamp. Lamp. Carpet. Chair. Chair. Table. Lamp. Lamp. Cool! Carpet. Chair. Chair. Table. Lamp. Lamp. Carpet. Waterfall. Chair. Table. Okay, please help. I cannot afford this anymore. I don't buy columns. I'm going till I'm broke. Big carpet. Big couch. Big couch. I guess this is a movie theater. Oh, actually something relaxing. Okay, back up the thing. Okay, thanks for watching. Get this video as fast as I can. 24 minutes, please.